My friends. I have got a friend. His name is Kostya. He is 14. Kostya is neither tall nor short. He is thin. His face is round and his eyes are blue. His hair is short and fair. My friend is in the 9th form. He studies well and likes to study at school. He is a good pupil. Kostya is not only a good pupil, but is also a faithful friend. He often helps me to do my homework. I like to spend my free time with my friend. We go for walks, read and discuss books together, and we go to the cinema. Kostya enjoys playing chess. He is a good player. He spends a lot of time on this game. In the evening, if we have time, he comes to see me and teaches me how to play chess. I have got another friend. Her name is Tanya. She is a nice girl. She is short and thin. Her eyes are brown. Her hair is dark and long. Tanya is 13. She is in the 8th form. She likes to study at school and she does it well. Her favorite subject is English. She spends a lot of time learning it. Tanya knows many English poems and recites them to me. My friend likes music. She plays the piano well. Sometimes I go to see her and she plays the piano. My friends, Kostya and Tanya, like computer games. They have got many interesting games and sometimes we play together. I like my friends very much. I think they are true friends.